You can't miss out on this strong sign. People on the internet haven't known when the Ripple vs. SEC hearing will end. On top of that, Ripple is definitely going to win. That's pretty cool, huh? But don't forget that XRP is about to go up. This is just the beginning. Growth of at least $10,000 is being talked about by experts. Doesn't it sound interesting? That video is the best one ever made about Ripple and XRP. Let's skip the small talk and get right to the point. Notice of importance. The long-running and contentious legal disagreement between Ripple and the SEC may soon come to an end. Recent events have made people think that the SEC might be changing its mind about how it enforces Bitcoin laws. Many XRP users are getting excited because they think the case will be over soon, which will cause the price to go through the roof. Edo Farina just shared a good way to say how you feel. I think that Ripple will soon be cleared of the SEC's lawsuit. This positive development comes after an interesting discovery. The leader of XRP says that the SEC has quietly taken down any content on its website that talks about the Ripple case. It's possible that this is just routine paperwork, a sign that a settlement is close, or the end of the case. But XRP Avengers went above and beyond. They asked the cryptocurrency community to put pressure on the Trump administration to throw out the case completely. James Murphy is known as meta lawman in the legal world, and he has been paying close attention to how the SEC's stance has changed. Not long ago, he brought up the fact that the SEC is now rethinking its position on Coinbase's legal moves, after having previously been against them. With this change, it seems like the government is rethinking how it handles lawsuits about a number of cryptocurrency problems. Instead of classifying digital assets as securities that can be traded on secondary markets, the SEC turned down Coinbase's appeal. This could be a sign that the agency is moving away from harsh enforcement measures. The people who use XRP are aware of this risk. Even though Ripple's case was taken off the SEC website, it has been given a new number in the Court of Appeals record, according to attorney Sherry. She confirmed that the case is still in the appeals process. Ripple has until the 16th of April to send in its brief, but Jeremy Hogan and other lawyers think the case might be dropped before then because the SEC's leadership has changed. The situation is very bad because it's not clear what will happen to SEC Chair Gary Gensler's future, and the Senate has not yet approved a replacement. The government is going through a time of change. Some people think that if Trump wins, Paul Atkins, a well-known fan of a less strict approach to regulation, might take his place. If hired, he could be very important in finding an answer to Ripple's lawsuit and maybe others in the cryptocurrency business. But a new chairman can't decide on their own whether to throw out the case or settle it. It has to be voted on by the 3 SEC members who are still in office. Hester Pierce and Mark Goleta are two well-known people who are thought to be crypto-friendly, which is good news for people who want to trade in XRP. As long as they agree, the case might be over before a permanent chair of the SEC is chosen. The price of XRP has changed a lot because of this. XRP, once the SEC vs. Ripple case is over, Chancellor boldly predicts that the price of XRP will go through a huge jump of 40,000%. Think about how the green candle burst. For XRP, a new age has begun. Very excited. XRP would go through the roof if regulations were made clear. This would remove a big obstacle to institutional adoption and general integration. A good deal would definitely make this happen, even though a 40,000% rise doesn't seem possible. But the future of XRP is much more interesting than anything you can think of right now. According to well-known experts, prices could change the Bitcoin market in a big way. This is more than just a big guess. They are changing the world. If you have XRP, pay attention. The XRP community is full of guesses because people are making such bold predictions and are sure that the token will do well in the future. Imonix is one of many XRP users who are telling others to keep going until they can live on their own money. Remember that you'll make a lot of money. Being free will come from having a lot of money. Being free will make you happy. And XRP will be used to make it happen. Keep an eye on it. Some people go even further, like Jack the Rippler, who says that $10,000 is the same as 1 XRP. But is it really possible for XRP to reach such high standards? We can now break it down. Jen A, a cryptocurrency expert, recently looked at the $10,000 price goal for XRP from both a bullish and a bearish point of view. He called attention to a number of important factors that could lead to huge growth. This means that XRP has a clear purpose, unlike joke coins that are only used for fun. Few banks and other financial groups have worked with Ripple for more than 10 years to add XRP to their foreign payment systems. If many banks start using XRP, there could be a big increase in demand. On top of that, regular systems like SWIFT handle deals worth trillions of dollars every day, but they are slow and cost a lot. For a very small amount of money, XRP allows payment almost instantly. If big banks and other financial institutions move to XRP, there could be a lot of money available. Putting real assets on the XRP ledger as tokens could also make XRP more useful. David Schwartz, the Chief Technology Officer of Ripple, has said that the XRP ledger might be the best in this new industry, which would make institutional buyers want to buy it. Some people who own XRP also think that the asset has been slowed down because the law isn't clear. Many big banks have stopped doing business with the SEC because of the long court battle. The problems may soon go away, though, since Ripple has recently won in court. A Minix has a simple word for people who believe in XRP. XRP will definitely reach $20. Please wait a little longer. Enjoy this moment. You already know this. Even though $10,000 per XRP is a very long shot, it is clear that XRP has the potential to grow in the long run. There's still a lot going on in the neighborhood. People who miss the rising market, like Oscar Ramos, wish things were different now. XRP's future will depend on how the crypto market as a whole moves, how sure regulators are about the rules, and how quickly institutions start using it. There is one thing that will always be true: it will go over $10,000. The people who use XRP are more determined than ever, and the currency itself isn't going away. Furthermore, as we have already demonstrated, for XRP to reach those sky-high prices, it needs to be widely used by all kinds of businesses. I have something to tell you. Ripple isn't just making hand signs. It is secretly making deals with other countries that could change the way the world's money works. When the pieces start to fit together, most people have no idea what's going on. When the rest of the world figures out what's going on, it might be too late to stop. This has never been a sign of a rising trend. Ripple is firmly establishing itself as a leader in the next generation of international money transfers by forming new alliances. XRP Ripple coin is in a great situation to gain from the world of digital finance. Ripple has taken yet another huge step forward with their relationship with Unicambio, a Portuguese company that changes money. This partnership makes it possible for crypto-based payments to be made across borders. The first deals between Brazil and Portugal will be faster, cheaper, and easier to handle. Because there are so many Bitcoin users in Portugal, it's a great place for Ripple to start selling its coins in Europe. In both an economic and cultural sense, the relationship between Brazil and Portugal makes this new payment method a great fit for use there. Businesses and people frequently send money between the two countries. Ripple's partnership with Unicambio makes operations almost instantaneous, eliminating the problems that come with old, slow financial systems. This relationship is interesting for XRP because of how important the token is to these deals. Ripple's payments system is built around XRP, which is a bridge currency that ensures fast processing and plenty of cash. According to David Schwartz, CEO of Ripple, XRP was designed to be liquid so that payment processes could be cheap and quick no matter where you are. Because of how it is built, XRP is a great alternative to standard payment systems that are known to be slow and expensive and that banks are trying to get rid of. How much Ripple is worth in the future will rest on how many people use its technology. Every new partnership is good for Ripple and a big step towards building decentralized financial services on top of blockchain. Governments send trillions of dollars in payments across borders every year. This is a huge business in and of itself. More banks using Ripple's technology to make these payments possible will increase the need for XRP and its usefulness, which could cause its price to go through the roof. Ripple's bigger goal is to make XRP the best way to send money between countries, and more people are using it to do that. Because there are more and more foreign payment and remittance networks, banks are looking for alternatives to SWIFT and other old systems. XRP is a better option because it allows trades to happen much more quickly.